Overview of health and safety training definition. Health and safety training is a structured process aimed at equipping employees with the necessary knowledge and skills to work safely. Employer responsibility. Employers are legally required to provide appropriate training to ensure workers can perform their jobs safely. Importance of training. Training significantly influences safety-related behaviors, helping workers understand hazards and risks associated with their work. Correct safety rules and precautions, emergency procedures, and personal health responsibilities. Types of HSE training. HSE induction training introduces new employees to the organization's safety policies. Fire safety training focuses on fire prevention and emergency response. Confined space entry covers safety protocols for working in confined spaces. Manual handling teaches safe lifting techniques to prevent injury. Emergency procedures prepares employees for various emergency situations.